Introducing the 2019 Ram 2500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.